Hello, it's Giorgio. Welcome to Church Basics. In this video, I will explain how to buy Cold Koala Token on Trustwallet. First of all, I want to mention that this is not financial advice, it's just video tutorial how to do it. So, first of all, go to CoinMarketCap, see the analytics, and then decide you want to buy or not. After you make the decision, then you can close the app, go to Trustwallet, and then you need to buy BNB on Trustwallet. So guys, there are two methods of how to buy BNB. So the first method is to buy BNB on Trustwallet. You go to BNB, click buy, select the amount of money you want to pay and buy it. But there's one problem. Here are high fees, and also the minimum purchase is $50. So if you don't have $50, there's another method how to deposit BNB to your Trustwallet. So I will show the second method step by step. So you need to have a Binance account. For that, if you don't have Binance, you can use my referral link and get 10% deposit bonus on Binance when you register from my referral link. So guys, when you make Binance account and when you go through verification, then you need to buy BNB on Binance. To buy BNB, you need to click this icon in the center down below and then click buy. Here you should choose BNB. Then you should choose the amount of money you want to pay. The minimum purchase is $15, and this is much less than Trustwallet. Choose for example $15 and buy BNB with your credit card. After you buy BNB, then you need to transfer it to your Trustwallet account. So now we need to click this purse icon, and now we need to click withdraw. Here we choose BNB, and now we need BNB Trustwallet's BNB address. So I will go to Trustwallet, and here you should choose BNB, click receive, and copy the address, and then go to Binance. I will paste it here. This is not required. Memo is not required, so I will choose the maximum amount I have on Binance, and I will withdraw it to my Trustwallet account by clicking withdraw and submit. Let's click confirm, and now I need to verify it, and with request submitted. So this withdraw is successful. I will go to my Trustwallet. Guys, now to buy coins, new tokens, you need to swap your BNB to Smart Chain BNB. It's very simple, guys. Just click your BNB, then click more, and here is option to swap to Smart Chain. Click it. Choose the amount of BNB you want to swap. For example, we choose 50% and or 75%, and I will swap it to Smart Chain BNB. Okay, I will send it, but here is a little fee, and you need to pay this fee to swap it. So I swap successfully. Now I will go back and I will buy tokens in Pancakeswap. After you swap your BNB to Smart Chain BNB, then you need to close Trustwallet, go to browser again, and go to CoinMarketCap. If you don't know how to open this page, just click the search bar and type cold, and here is the Koala token here. Open it, scroll a little bit down and copy the contract address by clicking the copy icon. Then close browser, go to Trustwallet, click the apps, scroll a little bit down and choose Pancakeswap. Now you need to connect your account. I will log out and show you how to do it. Click connect button and choose Trustwallet. Then you need to select the currency, paste the address we copied in the browser, click import. I understand, import. choose the amount of this token you want to buy, and then swap your smart chain BNB to it. So this was all, guys. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, you can click the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.